Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. It is Wednesday, September the 4th. Hope everyone had a good week so far. Everybody is safe, staying cool. Out here in Michigan, we got a heat wave. It is hot, it's nasty outside. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Check them out. The link is going to be down below. If you guys want to make a purchase, see what other goodies they have, and also take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast shipping. We got a nice size box here, and not sure where this is coming from, so let's open it and find out together. Definitely curious what this big box is. Oh, we got another box. Two boxes. There we go. One more. It's packaged nicely. I see the globe. Alright. Let's see. Put this down. You down. There we go. Oh boy. It's heavy. There we go. Oh. Maybe not. And this is something different than I thought. This is coming from Outdoor Weatherproof String Lights. Model. Oh boy. That's packaged well. Really nice. And this is coming from Mpow on Amazon Prime. So check them out, YouTubers. This is a waterproof, commercial grade, 1.5 dimmable light with 15 vintage bulbs and a spare. Alright, so this is like for the outdoors, your outside caves or whatever you do, your barbecue pits, parties, and your movie nights outside, all that good stuff. So if you guys want to add on to your house, make it light up, this would be a good way to go. Right now, I can't really do it because it's still daylight out. It's early. Thought this was something else. We'll see what's inside, and maybe I could set it up somehow. Right now, it's definitely early. Holy moly! Oh boy! What is this? It's all this. Oh boy! This should be fun. Mpow, thank you guys. This must be the extra bulb. Yep, you got the extra bulb in here in the little white box. And now we have outdoor weatherproof string lights. Alright, these are weatherproof. Take a look together. Let's see, I think these are the bulbs. I would assume. Let there be light. They got some bulbs. Alright. Alright, now let's take this thing out of the bag. Oh boy. Holy smokes. Got a thick cable. Jeez. Holy smokes. Oh man, this got a little difficulty untangling this beast. Give me 1 second or less. I should have this out of the way. Just gotta find a power cord. Okay. Found these two. So that's a good sign. And then, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Never a dull moment. Expect the unexpected. I'm gonna pause this. It might take a minute. Alrighty, YouTubers. I finally got that untangled. Got this one screwed in. It's really simple. I just hope it don't fall in the process of doing this. Take this. Right there. Right there. There we go. We got it. Make sure it's nice and snugged. Oh yeah. We got 1, 2, 3 strikes in, you're out. 3. 4. We got 4 in. We got number 5. And number 6. I believe these like the circuit breakers on each one of these lights, so that's really good safety feature to have. So another good bonus. So like I said, and plus you probably could change different color light bulbs for like Halloween parties. Well, summer is almost over for us, but anywhere else in the world this would be good for the outside. Cali weather's always good. How about you guys? And almost there. We got moly. Oh, 1, 2, a few left. I'm moving as fast as I can, guys. Bear with me. We'll see how bright these things are. Even though it's still daylight out, it's all good. There's a few more bulbs left. Ding, 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 ding. Understand? Okay. Hopefully I got enough. 1. Go. I think I got enough. Yep. There we go. Comes perfect amount. And like I said, they got 1 extra backup. I'm not sure how long the life length is on these bulbs, so you might want to check the manual. But probably a good amount of life expectancy. Alright, we got the final bulb. We did it. Holy smokes. I'm gonna plug this sucker in. See how bright these are. I'm gonna shut the lights. Hold on 1 sec. Got these, got these, got these. Okay. We got the bulbs in, and there's another extension, I guess. If you want to buy some more, you can always add on to it. So, in case not, this is what you gotta do. Just seal it up so it won't get wet. If you just want to buy one of these, somehow it just snaps into play like so. Keep it nice and covered. Alright, hold on 1 sec. I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. Look how bright these suckers are. Some nice sized bulbs. Oh, I didn't screw this one in. That was it. Oh, there it goes. Hey, look at that. Bright, and then have it, you know what I'm saying, wrapped around outside. It's too hot outside right now. It's like almost 100. So, definitely staying in. But these are pretty bright, though. And they look nice outside, so give it a try, YouTubers. Weatherproof outdoor lights. So, what, 20, I think it was? Maybe 15. So, Really cool. Mpow, Amazon Prime. Check them out. Links down below. Be safe and have a good one. See ya.